Hello guys, this is BIKER ImPERFECT. Welcome back to my channel once again. I hope you guys are doing fine and it's so good to see you back again. Now as promised, I'm back with another video. So today we are going to talk about a very special product and we are going to unbox it, install it and review it. And this is a very special product especially for those who ride motorcycles and get many calls in between their journeys and they have to stop many times and take up calls. Now this is for them. So today we are going to talk about the ASG SG02 helmet Bluetooth headset, which is manufactured by ASG stores based out of Mumbai. Now I got this from Amazon at around 2000 rupees, so yes, it's quite cheap and it's very useful. I've been using this for quite a year now, so now would be a great time to review it. Now have you guys noticed that the product packaging and my t-shirt are of the same color combination? Wait, chill guys, this is not a paid promotion and it's just a coincidence, so let's go ahead and unbox this. Now let me tell you guys that this is not a new product. I have been using this quite a long time now, almost a year. Now this is how the packaging looks when it comes as new. There is this ASG SG02 branding on it. So as you can see, the MRP of this product is around 2299, so I got it from Amazon around 2000 bucks. So yeah, it's quite cheap again. So while unboxing, you need to open this package as it is, like this. Now you get to see two speakers over here, one microphone which has ASG branding on it, and one USB port. Now this is not how it looks when it comes as new. Now I'll tell you this story later on while I am installing it. So this has a whole different story. So you open this one. So on opening this pack, you also see that there are two 3M Velcro grips through which you connect your speakers to the helmet. I have the extra pair, so I haven't used this. Now you also get the ASG helmet Bluetooth headset user manual. Now the user manual is very easy to read and the instructions are in English, so you can very well understand it and learn it within 5 minutes. So also you get ASG SG02 warranty card, the 6 months warranty card. So that's all which comes in the package. Now let's go ahead and install it on our helmet. Now this is my LS2 helmet which I have been using for around 2 years from now. Now let's install the ASG SG02 Bluetooth helmet headset on this. Now let's go ahead and open the paddings from inside our LS2 helmet. But before that, for safety, what I am doing is I am removing the helmet windscreen as well. Way, same for the other side, so that I do not scratch it. Now you turn the helmet like this, and then what you do is you open the paddings. Now the thing with LS2 and other helmets is that the paddings are easily removable, just like a click. We remove the other side cheek padding as well. This is it, we are done. Now we also remove the inner padding. That's how easy this was. So as I was telling you that my LS2 helmet does not have an inbuilt speaker pocket. So what I did was I measured where the speakers would be near my ears inside the helmet, and there I carved out the thermocol, as you can see over here, with a small piece of knife, and I have inserted the Velcro grips over there. So I have created a virtual speaker pocket by myself in this LS2 helmet, and this fits in very well. It does not bother my ears and the sound quality is great. So this is the Velcro male female grips that have been provided from ASG02. So I have already installed it, as you know I have been using it. So what we'll do is we'll bring the speakers and put them. So this is how the speakers and the microphone when taken apart from the box look like. So I'll go ahead and install this. Now I was telling you that I'll be telling you a story about this USB charging cable. Now after using it for around 6 months, what happened was that my Bluetooth helmet intercom or headset, rather, it did not charge. So I contacted ASG on their WhatsApp numbers and I tried to make calls, but no one responded. So what I did was I went to an electrician or a computer guy who was working on USB ports, and now what he did was he changed my USB port with another makeshift USB port so that I can be able to charge it, and it's working fine as of now. But the customer support with ASG is pretty glitchy, that I came to know about this. So I'll put one speaker over on this side, or let me put it over here. While take this wire, put it near the head, and put the other one on my left side ear, and I'll adjust the microphone like this so that it comes near the mouth. So this is how I have adjusted it. It will be on my mouth piece. So the USB port is concealed inside. Previously I had an opening of the USB port so that I was able to charge it without removing my paddings, but now since I have used this port, I have to open my padding every time I want to charge it. So let's go ahead and install the paddings back again. Yeah, so that was it. That's how easy the installation process of the ASG SG02 Bluetooth helmet headset is. Now I'll show you a quick sample of how the music is from within the helmet. Now in order to pair the ASG SG02 Bluetooth helmet headset, what you need to do is you need to press and hold this middle button over here, and it gets turned on and it automatically pairs with your last paired device. So since I already have my mobile phone paired with this, it automatically paired with the device. Now I'm going to play some music and show you around. I hope you can hear the music. So I haven't added any background music right now so that you can see how loud the music is. The quality of the audio is just great. So now that we have installed the ASG SG02 Bluetooth helmet headset in our helmet, let's go ahead and have a small short city ride, and I'll show you how the audio quality is while you are making or receiving calls while you are riding a motorcycle at different speeds. So let's go ahead on a small ride and check the audio quality out. Whoa, there she is. Every time I see her, I skip a beat. Oh, she looks gorgeous. Let's go for a short ride, baby.
right now I am on call with a childhood friend of mine. They were stayed in Bangalore. Now we were in the same school, but then parted ways after graduation. So they were on call, and we'll be talking to each other at different speeds, and let's see how the audio quality is and how good are we able to hear each other. So Devam, what's up, man? How are you?
Hey Adarsh, I'm good. What's up? How's it going with you?
So you're getting my voice right?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Yeah, actually I'm talking to you from my helmet. I have this pair of Bluetooth helmet headsets called ASG SG02 Bluetooth headset. So I don't have to answer calls.
Yeah, it seems like any other normal phone call.
So right now I'm R60 and I can clearly hear his voice. Shubham, is my voice breaking or you are getting some noise inside it?
It's pretty clear.
It's very clear, right? So right now I am inside the city. So we try to find out a good spot where I can take it beyond 80-85 and check whether the voice quality is still the same, clear and crisp, or it's still breaking. So in the meanwhile, Devam, when are you coming back, bro? When are we going for a ride?
I'll be there pretty soon.
Well, let me tell you, this guy is a beautiful cinematographer and is an awesome photographer as well. And I know he'll be humble right now that saying that, no, he's not. He's definitely definitely a very good photographer and a cinematographer. Well, the intro that you see on my channel, the BIKER ImPERFECT intro, it's been designed by him. Thanks a lot, bro.
No problem, buddy.
Alpha to Plastic, can you hear me? Do you copy?
Yeah, Tango Beta Charlie, Foxtrot. Now.
Oh, sure, that's crazy. Well, Devam, can you hear me? I am about 85 kilometers per hour. But I can't hear your voice.
Hello?
Oh, I've slowed down again.
Yeah, you're
ready for a moment again.
Am I still audible?
Are you still able to hear me?
Yeah, I can.
But I am not able to hear you, buddy. I can hear you faintly, but not that clear as I was hearing a bit ago.
Okay. So do I need to start?
Are you getting any volume sided?
Now it's getting pretty.
Okay.
Your voice.
Basically, what happens is that when you are riding 60 kilometers per hour at a slow speed, so you can hear each other's voice. The person was called, you can hear your voice and you can hear the person's voice very clearly. But the moment you wrap in above 70-75 kilometers per hour, there is a pretty large amount of wind blast flashing at you. So you cannot hear the voice clearly, even if you have a full face helmet and the windscreen is closed. So yes, for calls, you might not be stopping your vehicle entirely, but definitely you are going to slow down below 60, or I would advise below 30, because that would be safe. So we have pretty much done the audio quality test. Now, Devam, would you mind hanging up? I need to return home and check the audio quality once again. Thanks for the call, Devam.
So right now is the time where I speak the advantages and disadvantages of the ASG SG02 Bluetooth helmet headset. Now I'll tell you the things which I don't like about this first, because I keep the positive things for the last part. Now the things which I don't like about this helmet headset is that it does not have an auto answer functionality which most of the other Bluetooth helmet headsets have. So you're going to press the middle answer button while you are riding. You have to take your hands off the handle and answer your calls. So that's pretty much glitchy. Now the second part which I didn't like about this helmet headset is that it does not have an intercom functionality, whereas most of the other Bluetooth helmet headset which come at this price range, or maybe 500 to 700 rupees more than this, they have that intercom functionality where you can intercom between rider to rider while you are going on long rides. Now the third disadvantage of this ASG SG02 Bluetooth headset is that it captures a lot of noise when you are going above 80 kilometers per hour. So another thing which I don't like about this helmet headset is that the USB port does not work after 6 to 8 months of use, so I had to replace it. Had there not been this guy who helped me out in changing the USB port, this would have been useless and I wouldn't have been able to use it till this long. But the other point which I want to showcase is that the customer support is not that great. Nowadays they might have improved, but when I was their customer it was not that great. So you can always check out. I think they are reachable on their Instagram page and the Facebook page, so they might answer your queries, but the number does not work. They might have changed their number, so you can contact them and get the latest customer support number. Now coming to the points which I like about this is that it's cheap, so it's handy, then it's user friendly, it's easy to use. Now the audio quality or the music quality is great while you are riding. So that's pretty much all about the ASG SG02 Bluetooth helmet headset. Now I hope you like this video. Now this is BIKER ImPERFECT signing off for this weekend. I promise to be back next weekend with another great video. Till then, stay tuned, take care and ride with gears.